CHZ explicitly faces opposition at 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ down around 1.52% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. CHZ, USD pair exchanging underneath EMA in an unpretentious way. Chiliz generally shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in an essentially significant manner. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now and in every way that really matters. Attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on pressing issues. What for the most part is truly momentary cost expectation for Chiliz. By and large is CHZ a wise speculation, or so they certainly thought. Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they especially thought. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, for the most part let us in every practical sense discuss the kind of current economic situations, which truly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $122,112,304,788, showing how the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Chiliz cost investigation for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense. Got clarification on some things. What generally is genuinely transient cost expectation for Chiliz, for the most part is CHZ a wise venture, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The sort of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $22,757,277,610 in an every practical sense. Significant way. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which in a real sense is very critical, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% amazingly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period, which for the most part is very huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP explicitly, is somewhere around 1.1 and right now exchanging at 46 cents, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, further appearance how CHZ, USD pair exchanging beneath EMA, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market generally is going in an essentially descending heading for present moment, exhibiting how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. Further appearance how CHZ, USD pair exchanging beneath EMA in a kind of enormous way. As of now, a sort of broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span in a fundamentally significant manner. Chiliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the CHZ specialized examination, truly let us fundamentally discuss the by and large current economic situations in an all things considered, significant way. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers basically become considerably more by and large dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the CHZ specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations in a very significant manner. Similarly, opposition is a level at which vendors really become move certainly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin as cost from moving higher, showing how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM all things considered, has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz basically is at 10 cents, down 1.52% in the beyond 24 hours, and by and large has a value change of 3.39% throughout the week. So following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz generally is at 10 cents, down 1.52% in the beyond 24 hours, and essentially has a value change of 3.39% over the course of the week in a sort of huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is $26,592,446.00 while exceptionally all-out market cap came to $729,906,616 showing how CHZ down roughly 1.52% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. There fundamentally are practically 6,975,647,158 certainly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the CHZ specialized examination, in a real sense let us explicitly discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Chiliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside an especially day-to-day time span basically made sense of underneath, which especially is very critical. We utilize kind of relative strength index, moving truly normal assembly and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty basic moving commonly normal and outstanding moving pretty normal to examine the future development of the Chiliz, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking most certainly. The kind of relative strength record for CHZ coin in a real sense is at present floating at 28 for 14 days most certainly normal line, which most certainly implies CHZ especially is in oversold zone and a pattern pretty inversion explicitly is conceivable, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The Chiliz most certainly has sort of break all its in a real sense upholds levels and things basically are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, showing how CHZ USD pair exchanging beneath MA in an unobtrusive way. At present, especially bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take CHZ cost beneath the essential help level of 17 cents in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The CHZ USD moving exceptionally normal combination and disparity pointer truly is showing a present moment explicitly sell truly signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath fundamentally signal line which basically implies general bears basically are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that the CHZ USD moving most certainly normal intermingling and dissimilarity marker in every practical sense is demonstrating a by and large present moment most certainly sell commonly signal as the MACD line really is moving beneath extremely signal line which in a real sense implies essentially bears